Hello, can I help you?
Well, motherfucker, you don't know me. You the one just dialed my number, bitch.
Hey, I'm not playing your games no more.
I ain't
You
from
keep
a
fucking
goddamn
with me.
tree and raped
I
that
will
goddamn
fucking put a
black ass
computer virus in your
motherfucking
game.
woman and shut her like goddamn white baby, bitch.
Now, did you hear me, motherfucker?
Well, if I have a PI to track
Did you
this number
motherfucking hear me?
you're gonna fucking regret it. You
Bitch,
just don't know who you
I've had
fucking
enough
with.
of you
I've had
motherfuckers.
enough of this fucking goddamn bullshit.
All right, that's
I
it,
promise
motherfucker.
you.
How about I just hire a shitload of motherfuckers to put viruses in your computers?
Call you a job. I don't even know where the fuck you live at, but you got your
You
fucking
don't need to
criminal
know where I
stuff
fucking live,
I ain't
retard.
called nobody, and my phone records can approve it.
Look, I'm not finding this motherfucking a bit funny, and it's illegal to keep harassing me. So therefore, whatever I do back to you people belongs to you. And it's a responsibility.
PI to track this number and find you, you're gonna fucking regret it.
Shut the fuck up.
No, I ain't you from a tree.
You know what? Your ass is on YouTube
I'm
prank
gonna
calls
you down, you motherfucker.
under Jackass fucking Plumber.
Well, you keep
Now, when I
fucking
go
me,
onto
you're
that
gonna be from a
website
tree.
and I find who's checked into it, I can put a virus into there and wipe your computer out.
Okay,
Now, you want to
fuck me
keep
up.
playing, motherfucker?
No, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah?
You keep saying you gonna fuck me up, but you still kicking shit all the way and won't do nothing. You talking a bunch of goddamn fucking bullshit. Won't you shut up and listen for a minute? That's all you do is call me names. Oh, your name's son of a bitch. Is that all you gotta do is talk shit?